Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how do you go live on TikTok. So before we start, there are some important requirements that you need to meet to access the live feature. And the first one is that you must be at least 18 years old. And the second one is that your account needs to have at least 1,000 followers to basically go live. So let me show you how to do it. Open TikTok on your device, and here at the bottom center of your screen you see here plus sign, and here you need to scroll through the options at the bottom until you reach live. Then enter a title for your live that will describe your stream. This is basically helps attract viewers. And then some optional things that you can choose your cover image, and also you can apply filters and effects. And once everything is set and you are ready to go live, press the go live button to start your live. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.